We are officially floating down the river. Made it to Rogers Dam, and apparently they put a barrier up. I was hoping to go around the left side, so now I'm gonna have to figure out how to go around the other side. Had to carry my kayak all the way down here to get back in. I am somewhere in between Rogers Dam and Browers Park. Made it to Browers Park. Here's my kayak. And I'm gonna eat some beef jerky and drink a Rockstar. Just made it to Hardy Dam. And there's Hardy Dam. Gotta figure out how to get around it now. And we made it around. Just made it to Croton Dam. And I'm happy with how far I made it today. So I'm gonna call her quits and pick it back up tomorrow. Hopefully kayak the rest of the way to Lake Michigan and slay the dragon and get the princess. Alright, just made it back to Croton. About to get in at the boat launch on the other side of the dam. And see how far we can get. There's the kayak. Finally made it to Nuevo. Almost there! Finally made it to Lake Muskegon. All I have to do is make it to the end down there, and then